Hello, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick guide, we'll dive right into how to filter tasks by priority in Asana, the 2025 edition. To start, you'll want to open your Asana dashboard. It's where all your tasks live. Now that we've done that, the reason we do this is to have a clear view of all our tasks at once. Next, locate the Sort button at the top of your task list. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. This helps us because it allows us to customize how our tasks are displayed. Once the menu is open, you'll see a variety of options. Look for Priority. Click on it to sort your tasks by priority. The reason we do this is to quickly identify which tasks require our immediate attention. Now, you might wonder how Asana knows the priority of your tasks. Let me explain why this matters. Asana uses the priority you or your team set when creating or updating tasks. So, the accuracy of this filter relies on setting precise priorities in the first place. After you've selected priority, your tasks will immediately rearrange. High priority tasks will appear at the top of your list, medium priority tasks in the middle, and low priority tasks at the bottom. This helps us because it allows us to focus our energy on high priority tasks. Remember, you can always switch back to the original order or choose a different sort option if you need to. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Asana saves your last sort selection for each project, so don't worry about losing your preferred order. And that's it. You've successfully filtered your tasks by priority in Asana. By following these steps, you can easily manage your workload and ensure that important tasks don't fall through the cracks. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to make task prioritization a habit in Asana. Until next time.